Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to find your Windows username on Windows PC. You can determine your Windows username in two ways, so, without further ado, let's begin. The first method to do so is by pressing Windows+R on your keyboard, which will open the Run dialog box. In the box, type CMD and press Enter. The command prompt window will appear. Type the following command and press Enter. Your current username will be displayed. When you are on a computer domain, the domain name is also part of your username. In this case, the first part is the computer domain of the user, and the second part represents the username. You can access your Windows user account details from the Task Manager as well. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. The processes running on your remote computer are displayed. Click on the Users tab, then right-click and select Manage User Accounts. You can see your username and account details on the right side of the page. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.